Okay, so now I'm going to be repairing it. I'm on squeaky chair again, so sorry if that's annoying. I don't know how much I'm going to show of this, but I'm kind of just going to be just going through clips of whenever I'm fixing it, just show the inside when I got this unscrewed and stuff. I don't know what it looks like, so I'll find out what it looks like. Here mechanism is. It's actually not too bad looking. It's not corroded really at all either, so that's good. So basically just have to take this motor out and place a gear on it. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. It's missing a screw from factory right there. No, I'm pretty sure no one's opened this because it, like, all the screws popped from the factory putting glue on them. So I guess that's just factory forgot to put a screw there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I honestly surprised it has white plastic. I expected it to be black plastic since it's like a cheaper knockoff. Okay, I did, no, that's the wrong way. I did lie a little bit. There was a little bit of corrosion on this one. I cleaned that off, so it looks a lot better now. It wasn't bad, it was just a little bit. That one looks pretty good. And I don't really see any other corrosion, so should be fine. So I'm going to start with taking these screws out and then just getting the fish to slide out a little bit. And then taking that screws off the motor and taking the motor out and just putting the gear on there. Okay, so I got the motor out. That was a bit of a pain because these wires are glued, so they kind of tight. I had to kind of wiggle them off. Oh crap. Okay, maybe it's not the gear that's split. The gear is... it's on there pretty good, and I don't see a split in it. I hope it's not broken. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to like actually open this up more. I guess gear's broken or something stripped out or something, because when I move the head, there's no gears moving inside. And when I, like, those gears not splitting the motor at all. I'm pretty sure the gears hitting the gear in the gearbox. So, gonna have to open it up more and see what's wrong with it. Okay, so I got the fish off the plaque. I had to unscrew the circuit board so it wouldn't pull the wires. But I'm getting the tail off so I can take this off now. Well, this freaking mechanism only has 2 screws holding it in, so that's odd. But, that's the problem. The spring gear, of course, is broken. It's completely split in half. I just put it back on the gear to show it. So, I don't know if I have another one. I'll try to see if I do, but hopefully I do. I don't know. So I just finished this today because I had to work and was busy all week. But I completely forgot to finish recording. But I put a new gear in there and put it back together.
I can go home.